Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I'm Neek Lynn, and this is the place where braiders turn to learn braided hairstyles, develop tenacious hustle, and flourish in hope. In today's video, guys, we are going to jump right in. I wanted to go over some tips when you have a 4C natural hair client. A lot of times I get questions about this texture, and so I just wanted to go in and give you guys some tips to help you get through these thicker, coarser textures, which I love, by the way. So one of the key things when you are doing a 4C natural hair texture is you may find that you are going to have to detangle the hair. Now, I prefer to detangle the hair while it's wet, so I like to use a spray bottle that will help really saturate and moisturize the hair prior to me just putting a blow dryer on it. Now, another thing that I do is I like to also create my sections, because when I work with 4C hair texture, I would prefer to work in smaller sections. I feel that that helps me get through those sections. As you can see, I'm gonna spray my water like I said, but this really helps me get through the sections. I'm not pulling and tugging too much on my client's hair. Everything is sectioned out. I'm detangling even before I use the blow dryer. And also, a wide tooth comb is a great tool to use when you are trying to detangle this texture hair. Once I get my sections detangled, then I go ahead and I use an aerosol heat protectant spray. I prefer the aerosol one over like a Silk Elements where it's like wet, like a wet spray, because the aerosol one, it does not leave any type of film or anything on the hair, and it keeps the hair very light when it comes to blowing out the hair. So it's my favorite one. I'll put a picture of it right here, and then I just go in and blow dry. So let me tell you about this blow dryer real quick. I'm sure that you guys have seen this in most of my videos, and honestly, I love this blow dryer. I have used this blow dryer for a few years now. I've never had a texture that this blow dryer could not handle. It works really, really well, and I believe that it is a staple in the braid community. I actually posted this on Instagram, and this was a starter pack, and this definitely made the list. So guys, if you need a blow dryer or you're looking to upgrade your blow dryer, you can go into my description section and a link will be there to all of my favorite products. I appreciate you guys so much for checking that out. So now that her hair is all blown out, it is time to start parting her braids. She is going to have 5 feed-in braids with small braids in between. Now, let me just say this. I am a pre-parter. I know many braiders don't do it, but I am just one of those braiders who I like to see exactly what my style is going to look like before I commit. So if you would like to see exactly how I set up this 5 braid style, I can make another video for that. Just let me know in the comments and we can do that. So I'm gonna go ahead in with my gel. I actually started using the neat braid, and I must say I really like it. I still do use Shine and Jam, but the neat braid, especially for these 4C textures, has been a game changer for me. So if you're looking for a little bit of a thicker gel, the neat braid is it, and I will also make sure that that link is in the description as part of my favorite products to use. Now that I have gotten through all of her small braids in between, it's time to start working on the larger sections. Now, one key thing to know about braiding 4C hair texture is that you do not have to add a lot of hair. In the beginning, I add maybe 1 to 2 very small pieces of hair when I first start the braid. Then I give the braid room to breathe. In other words, I allow for the braid to just begin to build itself. And then as I start working my way around the round of the head, then I start adding some more small pieces because now I need to start building for length. But again, these pieces are still very, very small. And I won't begin to actually build those pieces up until I am in the nape area of the head. So my client wanted an ombre, so I decided to start adding in this burgundy color a little bit higher than I probably normally would, but I only did that in order to create that like stretched color effect and to be able to build the braid up enough that you would be able to see a recognizable difference. I absolutely love this color. It is one of my favorite colors to braid with. One, because it just blends so nicely even when you can see your client's natural hair, and then it's easy to build on. So as you're adding more, it's so easy to begin to tuck, and it just has great coverage. This brand is the Sensational brand. It's the pre-stretched 2X pack. So I will put a picture here of that. Also, take notice that I am using the thumbs down method, and if you need more information about that method, I can link that video here as well. So guys, I have talked enough. I really hope that you found something valuable in this video concerning how to braid 4C texture hair. If you have any questions, please feel free to let me know in the comment section, or if you have any tips that you would like to share with me. I am always open and willing to learn about new braiding techniques and things like that. This is a community where we can learn and grow together. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please make sure to go and do that. We have passed the 60K subscriber mark. And guys, I am just appreciative for each and every one of you. You know that already. So please go ahead if you are interested in content like this that's educational and helpful and just wants for you to be the best braider that you could be, then go ahead and subscribe because this is the channel for you. Also, if you need any type of just support, wisdom, sisterhood, you name it, you can join our Facebook Hair Hustle Hope Collective group. And we just have such a good time in there, guys. I like to go live. We support one another. All of the braiders ask different questions, and it's really just a network of sisterhood. So guys, you can go ahead and do that. And of course, if you have not followed me on Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at Neek_Lynn. And I think that's about it. So guys, enjoy the rest of this video. Please watch till the end, and I will talk to you in the next video. As always, God bless.